Okay, I'm going to show you how you can get started with the Core9 platform. You can go to core9.io and there you'll be able to download Core and download platform. We choose to download the platform. Right now, should take a few seconds depending on your connection. If it's downloaded, we can extract it somewhere. See, I will extract it to the desktop. Okay, I should have it here. There's not much needed to get started. Basically, you just need a JDK. And the minimal requirement is JDK 7. If you want to take advantage of some of the new features, you can choose to use the JDK 8. It's very new, and but it brings a lot of interesting features to the table. Okay, so we downloaded. Oh, another thing is you need the MongoDB. So you want to install MongoDB, or what you can also do if you don't want to go through that install procedure, you can go to Mongo Lab to, I think they got a free tier. If you see here, plans and pricing. See, they got the 500 MB free storage plan, and you can get started with that one too. I set up the MongoDB locally, and it's running. A very useful tool which I use for administrating MongoDB is RoboMongo. As you can see here, I have a connection with my local host, and there's nothing in there. This is the system database, and nothing in here. So if you got that, I'll show you the Java version. I got the Java version. I got a 1.8, and I really like what they did to the new improvements from 7 to 8. So we also use some of those new features in the platform, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, so you got your Mongo, your JDK, and then you should be able to get started. We just downloaded it. I put it on the desktop, and I will use the command line to CD in there. This is how I would do that. I think desktop, nothing there, so I can do this. Do an ls. You can see what's in the README, and then you can see there's the commands to get started. What you can do is immediately start, so you can then CD to builds, install, and in this case it's not the Core9 anymore, it's Core9 platform 0.0.1. If you go in there, you go into the bin, and then you'll see the two shell scripts, one for Windows, .bat, and one for Linux, to get up and running. So I will do that now. I'll do start the Linux command, and we should be able to see something like this. And now it is started. What we then can do is go to the browser and open the localhost 80. When you do that, you'll see the /install, which you need to use, and you get into the install procedure. For localhost, I won't be needing any password. If you use the Mongo Lab, you fill in the credentials here. You have to add a database here. I will just use localhost here, and I won't be needing username, password need, and a prefix. I use the core.prefix. And this should be enough. So submit it, and you'll see the virtual host is installed. Please restart your server. Okay, we can go to RoboMongo and see what it did. Just refresh it, and you see it created a database, Core9. It got just one collection in there, virtual hosts. And if you go in there, you'll see that it has the values we just filled in here. So now to start using the platform, we have to restart the server, which we just do Ctrl+C here when you're on Linux, and just start it again. Okay. It started again, and you should be able to go to dashboard login, and you'll be able to see, you should be able to see the login screen. You can fill in your username, password. The default is root and secret. When you're logged in, you'll be able to see the menu, and that's it for this screencast. The next screencast, I will show you how to get started with the platform and when you're logged in. Okay, thanks.